eggs, candy apples. Oh my gosh, look out! I guess I'm okay. I better go check the others. Are you guys okay? We're all here, but Betty has hurt her leg and can't walk. I'm okay. Don't worry about me. Hey, there's a trail over there in the woods. Why don't you guys stay here, and I'll see if I can find some help. Hopefully someone lives down there, and I can use the phone. Wait! That sounds like a good idea. I'll go see and keep in company. I'll stay here with Betty. Don't worry about us. We'll be okay. We'll be back. Sure is dark out in these woods. Yeah, it's spooky. Hey, there's a house over there. Let's go check it out. Okay. I'll see if someone's home. You go see if there's gas in that car. Okay. Hello? Is anyone home? Hey, who's there? Is someone here? Hello? Is anyone home? My friends and I need help. Hey, what's that?